Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the damage. Walk the car in sunlight to compare faded versus healthy paint so you know the scope. Once you identify panels, wash the area with pH-neutral soap and dry thoroughly. This removes contaminants that will interfere with repair. Then clay bar the panel to remove bonded grime. Make sure to lubricate and rewash. Finally, prepare a small test spot. This confirms materials and prevents surprises when you begin the corrective steps. Once done with prep, evaluate if wet sanding is necessary. You wet sand only when oxidation or deep UV checkerboarding exists in the clear coat. If you sand, progress 1,500 to 2,000 then 3,000 grit with even, overlapping passes. Make sure to keep the surface wet. Next, compound with a medium pad, then refine with a fine polish and foam pad using a dual-action polisher at moderate speed. This restores clarity while minimizing swirl marks. Clean and inspect each stage under bright light. After polishing, seal the surface. Apply a polymer sealant or a high-quality multi-layer wax and allow proper cure time to lock in gloss and UV protection. Once sealed, buff lightly to uniform sheen. If you still see haze or marring, stop and repolish with a fine pad. Do not increase aggressive sanding. If clear coat is breached or base coat color is gone, use touch-up paint for small spots or consult a professional for panel repaint to restore durability and color match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.